Hi, this is Sarah Marks, one of the librarians here at UMass Lowell. For this video, we're going to break down APA citations for articles and books to see the basics of what you need to add into your citation and what you're looking at when you need to interpret the citation yourself. Let's begin with the article. In yellow, I've put the authors. They start all citations, and if it's not a person, it's an organization. They're listed in order that they're listed in the actual publication itself. It's very important for order in APA citation. The first author does the most work, so they get listed first. And it's last name, comma, first initial. Not name, just initial. If they have a middle initial, that gets included. Next, we put the year of publication. That's in orange. In blue, we put the article title. And in purple, I've put the journal or publication title. These are two very different things. And this one is incorrect. In APA style, the only letters to get capitalized are the first letter of the first word, or the first letter of the first word after some sort of colon or semicolon, or some type of divisional punctuation. So typically just colon or semicolon. In this case, you would have to go in and edit this to make all those words lowercase letters, except for that U and unsupportive. This is different title from the journal itself. That goes next. In this case, it's the American Journal of Health Behavior, and all of those words get capitalized. This is important when you're looking for an article you found in someone else's bibliography, or your teacher has suggested for a reading. The article title can be searched in the article quick search, but if you're looking through the full text finder or the search for a journal title, you search for the journal title. In red, we put the volume and issue. Every year is another volume, typically, for a journal, and within that there are many issues. So in this case, this is the 40th year they've published. This is the 5th issue within that year. Next are the green page numbers. And finally, the DOI number, if there is one. Not every article has one, and when they do, they get included. A DOI number is a unique identifying number, and if you were to Google that number, it would take you to the article itself. Next, we have a book citation, which, as you can see, is a lot less detailed than an article one. Again, in yellow, we have our author, last name, comma, first and middle initials. In this case, there's only one author, but were there to be more than one, they would still go in order of publication. So the first author listed in your bibliography is the first author printed on the book. In orange, we have the year published. In purple, we have the book title. In red, this time we put the location of the publisher and the publisher's name. And that's a simple APA citation for both a book and an article. If you have any questions, feel free to ask the Writing Center for help or contact one of the librarians.